Hey guys, welcome back. For this video, I'm going to show you how to record screen on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're here, just scroll down to the C Control Center. Simply tap on that. And as you can see, my screen recording is right here. But for you guys that don't have your screen recording on your control center, just scroll down till you see it here and simply tap on the plus icon to add it to your control center. And once you're done, just swipe down on the top right corner of your screen to reveal your control center. As you can see, I'm currently recording my screen, and you could also hold it to enable the microphone right there. Tap and hold on it. As you can see, my microphone is also enabled. And once you're done, just simply need to tap on the screen recording button again to stop the recording. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the